Exploring the facelifted 2024 Ford Kuga, it becomes clear that Ford has elevated the compact crossover SUV to new heights with a refreshed design and enhanced features. The exterior of the Kuga now boasts a more contemporary look, characterized by dynamic lines and a revamped front grille. The sleek profile and aerodynamic contours not only contribute to the SUV's aesthetics but also hint at improved performance and fuel efficiency. Inside the cabin, the 2024 Ford Kuga offers a refined and comfortable environment for both the driver and passengers. Upgraded materials and thoughtful design elements elevate the overall interior experience. The seating configuration ensures ample space for occupants, making it a practical choice for families or those who prioritize comfort during their commutes and adventures. The facelifted Kuga places a strong emphasis on technology, evident in its updated infotainment system and connectivity features. A user-friendly touchscreen interface takes center stage on the dashboard, providing easy access to navigation, entertainment, and smartphone integration. The inclusion of advanced driver assistance systems enhances safety and convenience, underscoring Ford's commitment to modernizing the driving experience. Safety features in the 2024 Ford Kuga have been bolstered to provide a secure driving environment. From adaptive cruise control to lane keeping assist, the Kuga leverages advanced technology to assist the driver in various scenarios. The inclusion of comprehensive airbag systems and a reinforced body structure further underscores Ford's dedication to occupant safety. Practicality is a key highlight of the Kuga, showcased through its versatile cargo space and configurable rear seats. Whether it's daily errands or weekend getaways, the Kuga's adaptability caters to a wide range of lifestyle needs. This balance between functionality and style positions the Kuga as a competitive option in the compact crossover SUV segment. In conclusion, the 2024 Ford Kuga facelift impresses with its refreshed design, refined interior, and technological upgrades. Whether it's the sleek exterior lines, the comfortable cabin, or the advanced safety and connectivity features, the Kuga demonstrates Ford's commitment to delivering a well-rounded and modern driving experience in the compact crossover SUV category.